Today, we are Soffle Bakery and Corporation would like to present about our company. First of all, my name is Muhammad Amir bin Khairuno.
My name is Putri Nur Natasha Adila binti Maskuri.
My name is Nur Shaira Natasha binti Muhammad Nam.
And my name is Sonia Alisan Raza binti Muhammad Said.
We are from TAC 10 and KTAC 2. Next slide. First, we will see about corporate company information, which is corporate information. Next.
Hello, Amir.
Here is about our organization chart. In our company, we have first director, second director, general manager, and company secretary. Next. Our company also have auditors, which is Sir God Jordan from Putrajaya. Next. Our secretary, company secretaries, which are Putri Nur Natasha Adila and Chin Hua Mi. Next. Okay, our registered company is located at Lot 3, Jalan Pelabu 23/1, Kawasan Mia 4300, Shah Alam, Selangor. Next. And here is our logo, Soffle Bakery and Corporation. Here, we will see and introduce our director and members profile. Okay. First of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Amir bin Khairuno, 28 years old, and I am a first director of the company, Soffle Bakery and Corporation. My qualification is Chartered Accountant from the Malaysian Institute of Certificate Public Accountants. And my experience in business is I had running a bakery business since 10 years ago.
So, the next one is me. My name is Sonia Alisan Nazra binti Muhammad Said, and my age is 25 years old. My position of Soffle Bakery and Corporation is second director of this company. My qualification is Chartered Accountant from the Malaysian Institute of Certified Public Accountant, which is MICPA. My experiences before is financial and senior management of companies. Next.
Okay, so this is my profile. My name is Putri Nur Natasha Adila binti Maskuri. I am 23 years old. My position in this company is company secretary. My qualification is Chartered Accountant from the Malaysian Institute of Certified Public Accountants, MICPA, and my experience before is business and marketing position in public company.
Next. It's my profile. My name is Nur Shaira Natasha binti Muhammad Nam. I am 23 years old, and my position is as general manager. And I have bachelor in business and management, and also master in financial marketing from the University of Manitoba, it's Canada. And I also have investment management, marketing, and stockbroking industry both in Malaysia and overseas. Next.
This is the history of Soffle Bakery and Co. 4 of members were friends during high school and met after several years at entrepreneurship workshop. They decided to run a company together named Soffle Bakery and Co. We made this decision because this production is easier to gain profit and to be managed. As we are together, we managed to discover our own skills that we can apply to this company. For example, accounting skills, marketing skills, baking skills, and design skills.
Amir?
Okay. Next, the nature of business. For your information, Soffle Bakery and Corporation is one of the manufacturing company, and we also registered with government since 2019. We produce and sold variety of cupcakes such as chocolate, vanilla, cheese, red velvet, and blueberry. We produce and supply them to all retailers which interest to sell them. What is important about our company is we produce the most delicious cupcakes in Asia, which guarantee halal and Sharia compliance. That's all.
Okay, next, why we are selected this business? Okay, first is it is easy and convenient to be manufactured. Second is high demand from customer, and third is low cost of preparation.
Next, Next, it is basic information about business, market, location, and competition. Firstly, is product. Our product is muffin. It has 5 flavors, which is chocolate, blueberry, red velvet, vanilla, and cheese. Our main specialty is making these muffins that not only come with a wide selection of muffins, but also with rare, mouth-watering, and lovely taste. Soffle Bakery and Corporation also use raw materials that are high in quality to make the best muffin in the country for its customers. Second, the price. The price of our muffin is RM3 for every kind of flavors. And the place Soffle Bakery and Corporation produce and sells its muffin at its own factory located at Lot 3, Jalan Pelabur 23/1, Kawasan Mian, 40,300 Shah Alam, Selangor. Then distributes it to other businesses like coffee shop, mini mart, supermarket, and others. Next. Part 1 is promotion. We promote our product in social media like Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. We also promote our muffins on the television, billboard, magazines, and newspapers. Fifth is location. It's the same like before. We are located at Lot 3, Jalan Pelabur 23/1, Kawasan Miel, 40,300, Shah Alam, Selangor. This location is quite far from the city as we produce the goods in the factory in order to avoid any harassment or residents. However, the location is not quite far from the retailers that we will supply every day. And lastly, competition. The competitors for Soffle Bakery and Corporation are Gardenia, Mighty White, and Massimo. And next,
Okay, we're moving on to the why we think this business would be profitable. We're relying on our technology and an activity-based costing system rather than a time-based system. We will able to maintain competitive prices and sustain high profitability. Our technology and systematic efficiencies will allow us to have advantages in cost and speed. How our financial decisions will affect the business? Our company will earn the revenue from the sale of those flavored muffins. Next. Okay. We're moving on to the startup cost analysis. We have building that costing 50,000 ringgit, machinery 30,000 ringgit, equipment 40,000 ringgit, cash 100,000 and inventory work in process 50,000 ringgit.
Shaira Natasha.
Next is types of product manufactured. The product manufactured is muffin. It has 5 flavor selection, which are chocolate, vanilla, blueberry, red velvet, and cheese. For promotion, we will promote it through social media apps, billboard, magazines, and newspaper. That way, it can reach wider market. As for marketing, we will sell it to other businesses and those who buy bulk directly from us. The price is RM 3 ringgit for each muffin, no matter what flavor it is. Our place located in Shah Alam, the capital city of Selangor, and in between of Petaling Jaya and Kelang. The population in Shah Alam is 740,750 based on CDF. Shah Alam have many other businesses companies that buy our products such as Tesco, Big Mart, 7-Eleven, and etc. It makes our delivery process easier and reduce the cost too, as the businesses are very near to our location. It proves that these locations are very strategic and good for business. Next.
Okay. Next, why we choose job order costing as our accounting system? This is because we produce a number of variety product every day which customers according to customers job conveniently, because at the end of the year we can see and know which product will increase the profit of our company. So on the next accounting period, we will increase the number of products that profitable to our company. Trial balance for the month ended 31st of March 2020. So we got the same amount in debit and credit, which is 363,275 ringgit Malaysia. Next.
Here is our income statement. So from this, you can see our sales is 103,500, and we don't have any beginning finished goods inventory. So we jump to cost of goods manufactured. We got 33,400, and then we minus ending finished good inventory, which is 750,000, and then we get unadjusted cost of goods sold. Cost of goods sold, which is 32,650, and then we plus with under applied manufacturing overhead, which is 1,235, and then we plus unadjusted cost of goods sold with under applied manufacturing overhead, and we got cost of goods sold, which is 33,885, and then we minus sales minus with cost of goods sold, which is 103,500 minus 33,885, and then we got gross margin, which is 69,650, and then from the gross margin we minus selling and administrative expense. Selling and administrative expense is 16,975, and then 69 gross margin minus selling and administrative net operating income, which is 52,640. Next.
For the balance sheet, Soffle Bakery and Corporation for the ending month 31st March 2020, and the asset, which is the non-current asset, is building, machinery, and equipment. We total out, we get 102,700 ringgit, and the current asset, which is finished good, cash, inventory, and current receivable, we total up, we get 212,750 ringgit. So we total up non-current asset and current asset, we got the total asset, which is 315,415 ringgit. So the next is equity and liabilities. The current liabilities, utilities payable, wages payable, and account payable. We total up the current liabilities, we get 12,775 ringgit, and we don't have the non-current liabilities. So the equity, which is capital stock plus with net income, we get the total equity, which is 3,640 ringgit. So we plus up the total liability and total equity, we get 315,450 ringgit, which is balanced with total assets. So the next one is break-even analysis. So how to calculate it? So we use the 3 stream per step to calculate break-even unit, which is unit and sales. First, find out the fixed and variable cost. Second, calculate contribution margin per unit and margin ratio. Third, determine the break-even in unit and sales. So the cost incurred during production is at fixed cost and variable cost. So the fixed cost is advertising, insurance, wages, office rent, miscellaneous expense, and CEO salary. And the total of fixed cost is 16,900 ringgit. And the variable cost, which is our raw material, is 8,000 ringgit. So how to calculate the contribution margin? The formula is sales minus variable cost, which is our sales is 103,500 ringgit. We minus out with variable cost, which is 8,000. We get the total is 95,500. So next is unit contribution margin. So the formula is contribution margin. We divided it by total production. So the contribution margin that we get just now is 95,500 divided by 34,500. We get the unit contribution margin is 2 ringgit 77 cent. And the last one is for how to calculate the contribution margin ratio. Contribution margin divided by sales and multiply it with 100%. So 95,500 divided 103,500 multiplied by 100% is we get 92.27%. So we include here for contribution margin income statement. So to calculate the per unit is by sales price, which is 3 ringgit, minus by the variable price, which is 23 cents. We got the contribution margin is 2 ringgit 77 cent. Okay, for the total is our sales revenue, which is 103,500. We minus by variable cost, which is 8,000. We get the contribution margin 95,500. After that, we minus by fixed cost, we get the net operating income, which is 78,600. So then the last one is for the percent of sales. So the overall sales 100% minus by variable cost in sales in percent of sales, which is 7.733%. We minus it, we get 92.27%. So here is our break-even graph. And how to calculate the break-even units is by fixed cost. We divided by the unit contribution margin, we get 6,101 ringgit 8 cent. So for the break-even sales is fixed cost which is 16,900. We divided by 92.27%, which is the contribution margin percent of sales. We get the break-even sales is 18,315 ringgit 81 cent. So next.
Next, we're moving on to whether the business will be profitable. So our answer is yes. Our business will be profitable because we already minimize the cost and maximize the profit. Based on our break-even analysis, our break-even sales is 18,315 ringgit 81 cents, while our sales revenue is 103,500 ringgit. Meanwhile, based on the break-even graph, our business does reach the break-even point, which results in a profit. It means that our sales revenue is higher than our cost. However, to improve the possible outcome, we will reduce the fixed cost. This could be done through a number of negotiations, such as reductions in rent payments, or through better management of bills or other costs. Or we will change the quality of our muffins slowly but surely. Okay, so thank you so much for lending your ear and your eyes. That's all for today. Thank you.
Ah.